Da 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 da. So yeah, this is my fridge. That was very epic, that first bit. So, first of all, it's Fridge Master, which probably means, if it focuses, a master being a fridge and nothing else, and that it literally cannot be focused on by a phone camera. We also have a water dispenser. We'll have a look at that in a little bit. Let's open it. As you can see, it emits this blue light, which is pretty cool, which comes from up here, and it's definitely more blue on camera than it is in real life, let me tell you that. I won't review the food that's in here. This looks like a very big fridge. This is how tall I am compared to the fridge. Oh, yeah, I'm pretty tall compared to this. On the bottom you got a drawer, which is normal in most fridges. And then here, this is pretty interesting. This is, I guess you could call it a reservoir, but you can store your water. It doesn't have to be water. This is apple juice. You can put juice in there, but I wouldn't recommend putting fizzy drinks in there because literally says in the manual that it could explode. So I don't recommend doing that. Now, let's have a look at the water dispenser itself. Here we have a lock and unlock switch. I'm going to unlock it, and let's go ahead and get a cup. There's some plants, but here I have a plastic cup, and all you do is you see this thing here, you put the cup, pushes it, and then it dispenses, which is really cool. I like it. Now, what if I told you that the Fridge Master wasn't just a fridge? It's also, if we go down here, a freezer, where you can freeze stuff. That's pretty much it. I know this was a quick video, but I thought you'd like my fridge. And let's see the fridge in use. There we go, taking a fruit shoot out. Absolutely amazing work from Cracker there.
No. That was actually by coincidence. I just wanted to go drink.
What do you think this looks like?
Pee!
No, it's apple juice. Other than that, it's just your fridge.
Your regular
freezer.
fridge.
Anyway, guys, if you did like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for, well, gaming videos, because I don't really do this stuff. Anyway, guys, see ya. Chris, get out the shot.